In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up alerts on Twitter. First, let's open the X app, which is what Twitter is now called. Look for the app icon on your device's home screen. It looks like a blue bird. Once you tap it, the app will load your timeline. You will see tweets from accounts you follow, trending topics, and more. This is the starting point for setting up your alerts. Getting familiar with the interface is essential because alerts will help you stay updated on important interactions and events. Next, tap your profile icon, which is typically found in the upper left corner of the screen. This action will open a sidebar menu. Here you will see various options related to your account. Look for Settings and Privacy and tap on it. This is where you can customize your Twitter experience. Adjusting these settings is crucial because it allows you to manage how you receive notifications and alerts. Now, let's dive into notifications. Tap on Notifications in the Settings menu. This will take you to a new screen where you can manage how Twitter notifies you. Following this step is significant because it helps you filter the noise and focus on what really matters to you. Notifications can often become overwhelming, so personalizing them is a good strategy to enhance your user experience. From there, tap on Preferences to access more detailed options. This section provides a variety of settings that you can tailor to your liking. Here you will find various options for notifications, including push notifications. Adjusting these preferences ensures that you receive alerts that are relevant to your interests and interactions on the platform. Next, tap on Push Notifications. This is where the magic happens. You will see a list of different types of alerts you can turn on or off. These include mentions, replies, direct messages, news, or spaces. By selecting the alerts you want, you can create a custom notification experience. This step is vital because it allows you to stay engaged with your followers and the content that matters most to you. Now turn on the alerts you want. For instance, if you want to be notified about mentions, simply tap the toggle next to it. You can do this for each alert type that you deem important. Once you have made your selections, this ensures that you won't miss out on any important interactions or updates from your network. At this point, let's focus on getting alerts from a specific account. Open that account's profile by searching for their username. You will see their profile page with their tweets and information. This is an excellent way to stay updated on key accounts you follow. When you engage with specific accounts more closely, it helps you keep track of their content and announcements. Next, tap the notification bell icon located on their profile. This will bring up options for how you want to receive alerts from this account. You can choose between all posts or only posts with live video. Selecting your preferred option will help you tailor your notifications even more. This customization ensures that you only receive alerts that fit your interests and preferences. Lastly, after you've made your selections, you will see a confirmation appear on screen. This means that your settings have been saved successfully. You can return to your main feed now, confident that you are set up to receive alerts tailored to you. With your alerts properly set up, you will be able to stay informed and engaged on Twitter. This small yet significant setup enhances your overall experience on the platform.